Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I have a wonderful and meaningful story for you. This story will not only help you improve your English listening skills, but also teach you an important life lesson. So, relax, listen carefully, and try to understand every sentence. Don't worry if you don't know every word. Just enjoy the story, and your English will improve little by little. Now, let's begin today's story. The Value of Time. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young man named Gaurav. He was very lazy and always delayed his important work. Because of this habit, he never scored good marks in his studies. His parents often advised him, "Son, learn the value of time. The time you waste a day will never come back." But Gaurav never listened to them. He always said, "I still have plenty of time. I'll do it later." After finishing school, Gaurav moved to the city for higher studies. His parents hoped that he would become more responsible, but nothing changed. Instead of studying, he spent most of his day hanging out with friends, watching funny videos, and endlessly scrolling through social media. Every evening, he promised himself that he would study the next day, but that day never came. As time passed, his classmates improved, but Gaurav stayed behind. His grades became worse, and he started feeling disappointed. One day, he heard about an old man who lived in his hometown. People believed that the old man was very wise and always gave good advice. During his vacation, Gaurav decided to visit him. He found the old man sitting peacefully under a large tree, with his eyes closed, meditating. Gaurav greeted him respectfully. "Good morning, sir." The old man slowly opened his eyes and smiled. "Good morning, my son. Please sit down." Gaurav sat beside him and said, "Sir, I need your help. I feel like I'm failing in life. My friends are moving ahead, but I am always left behind. I want to become successful. Please tell me what I should do." The old man looked at him quietly for a few moments. Then he said, "My son, your biggest problem is not a lack of intelligence. Your biggest problem is that you always postpone your work. You don't respect time." Gaurav lowered his head. The old man continued,
"Let me tell you a story. Listen carefully, and you will understand why time is the most valuable thing in life."
The King's Offer. Once upon a time, there was a kind and generous king. He loved his people and always tried to help those who were in need. One day, the king met a poor man. The man had no job, no money, and no respect in society. He spent most of his time complaining about his bad luck. Whenever something went wrong, he blamed other people instead of accepting his own mistakes. The king asked him, "My friend, why are you so unhappy?" The man sighed. "Your Majesty, I don't know why everyone thinks I am useless. Whenever I look for a job, people refuse to hire me. Nothing good ever happens in my life." The king felt sorry for him. After thinking for a moment, he smiled and said, "I want to make you an offer." The man's eyes became bright. "What kind of offer, Your Majesty?" The king replied, "Before the sun sets today, come to my royal palace. You may take as much gold and silver as you can carry. Everything you take will belong to you." The poor man could hardly believe his ears. He jumped with joy. "Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you so much." Without wasting another second, he ran home and told his wife everything. His wife became very excited. "This is wonderful," she said. "Go to the palace immediately, before it's too late." But the man shook his head. "I'm very hungry. I can't go without eating first." His wife quickly prepared a meal for him. Instead of eating quickly, the man enjoyed every bite. He thought, "There is still plenty of time. The palace isn't going anywhere." After finishing his meal, he stretched his body. "I'm feeling sleepy," he said. "I'll take a short nap and then leave." He closed his eyes. He planned to sleep for only a few minutes. Instead, he slept for 2 hours. When he finally woke up, he looked outside and became frightened. "Oh no, it's already late!" He quickly grabbed a few empty bags and rushed toward the palace. The sun was shining brightly. The weather was hot. After walking for some time, he became tired. He noticed a large tree beside the road. "I'll rest here for just a few minutes," he said. "A little rest won't hurt." A cool breeze was blowing under the tree. The place felt comfortable. Within minutes, he fell asleep again. This time, he slept for 4 hours. When he opened his eyes, the sky had turned orange. The sun was about to set. He immediately picked up his bags and ran as fast as he could. He reached the palace gate, but it was too late. The sun had already disappeared below the horizon. The giant gates were closed. The guards stood silently outside. The poor man knocked on the gate and shouted, "Please open the gate! I'm here!" But no one opened it. The opportunity was gone forever. He sat on the ground and cried, not because he was poor, but because he had lost the greatest chance of his life simply by wasting time. The old man finished the story and looked at Gaurav. For a long moment, neither of them spoke. Finally, Gaurav said softly, "Sir, I understand now." The old man smiled. "What did you learn?" Gaurav replied, "I have been wasting my own future. Every time I said, 'I'll do it later,' I was actually losing valuable time." The old man nodded. "Exactly. Time is more valuable than money. If you lose money, you can earn it again. But once time is gone, it never comes back." Those words touched Gaurav's heart. He thanked the old man and returned home. That very day, he made a promise to himself. He stopped delaying his work. He reduced the time he spent on social media. He followed a daily study schedule and stayed focused on his goals. Day by day, he became more disciplined. Within a few months, his grades improved. Soon, he became one of the brightest students in his college. His friends were surprised by his transformation. But Gaurav knew the real reason behind his success. He had finally learned the value of time. Moral of the story: time is the most valuable gift in life. Every opportunity has the right moment. If we keep saying, "I'll do it later," we may lose that opportunity forever. Use your time wisely. Stay focused on your goals, and remember that lost time never comes back. I hope you enjoyed today's story and learned something valuable from it. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to your dreams. Never stop learning and never waste your time. If this story helped you improve your English or inspired you in any way, please like this video and share it with your friends. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English story. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.